Steve. Who gets in? I'm waiting for you. Top target. You already shot. I don't see a single hole.
Wasting footage.
I still don't see a single hole.
What's screwing me up is sideways are all at the top of the circle, while the middle, while the aim foot is. So I can't see that. It's weirder. Like I don't know.
What is that weird? All right, Dan. It's at 6 o'clock, 6:30. You're almost set.
Yeah, safety's on.
Which target? Top target. I think the top. Oh, in that case, you're high 12. 11:30. A lot. You're in the top target. Second to outer.
Go shoot. Huh? Or what? Thanks, Sharon.
I know that thing hurt your arm.